have borrowed more than government of Yaradua, Jonathan, Buhari put together. Top government officials in this capital of Abuja commissioning post station where we lost 20-something soldiers in Niger. Is commissioning road more important than our soldiers that are dying? I don't need a day more than 4 years.
So you don't belong to a gang of states?
No. I was the governor for my first 4 years. I drove 406. For the rest of it, I didn't drive a bulletproof cars. Nobody's decided to kill you. You're doing the right thing.
Would this be canvassing for a political solution to the case of Nnamdi Kanu?
Why is he being held? It doesn't make sense to me.
You are an ADC member or a Labour Party member?
I'm a member of this, and I'm going to work with this group.
You are thinking of being a running mate to Atiku. Is that the case right now?
Because I was a student, I owned Ugolafo branch and one more branch of Savannah Bank.